In today's video, we are going to cover how to move a field in Airtable. Begin by opening the Airtable table that contains the field you want to move. Once the table is on screen, look across the top row where the column headers are displayed. Each header represents a field in that table, and the position of each one determines the order in which your data appears from left to right. Before moving anything, take a moment to identify the specific field you want to reposition so you are working with the correct column. When you have found it, move your cursor to that field header. Click and hold on the header itself. This is the part at the top of the column where the field name appears. Keep the mouse button held down so Airtable knows you want to move the field rather than open or rename it. If you release too soon, the field will stay where it is, so keep the hold steady until you begin dragging. With the header selected, drag the field horizontally to the position where you want it to appear. As you move it, follow the top row of headers and watch where the field lines up among the other columns. This helps you place it in the correct location before you let go. Move carefully so you do not drop it too early. The goal here is only to change the field order within the table, so keep dragging until the field reaches the spot you want. Once the field is in the desired position, release the mouse button to drop it there. Airtable will place the field into that new location in the header row. The columns around it will shift to make room, and the table will now reflect the updated order. If the field does not land where you intended, repeat the same action by clicking and holding the header again, then dragging it to a different position. This process works directly from the table view, so there is no separate menu or settings panel involved in the move itself. You are working entirely with the field header at the top of the column. That makes it useful to keep your attention on the header row as you drag, especially if your table contains many fields close together. Staying focused on the top row helps you confirm placement before releasing the mouse button. If the field is already selected and ready to move, there is no need to make any additional changes first. Open the correct table, click and hold the field header, drag it to the new position, and release it once it is lined up where you want it. Your Airtable field is now moved to its new position in the table.